Hello viewers, it's Deepy for you. This time I have brought a very quick, very easy but at the same time very trendy video tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the tutorial. This is the chain I'm going to use. This is my jump rings wheel. I'm going to open it and take a jump ring out. Here I show you it is 5 mm. And these are the charms I have chosen for this project. You can have any shape you like. Also, the last thing you're going to need is a few more jump rings. These are 4 mm in size. So let's measure the chain. At the 4 cm length, I'm going to pick it up with a plier and break it. Like this. This is 4 cm. We're going to measure it again, and this time we're going to pick it up on the 5 cm length. After breaking this, the third piece I'm going to break 6 cm long. So we have 3 pieces of 1 cm length difference. At this point, close the open links at the end of both sides. When you have done this, on the all 3 chain pieces, take a small jump ring and open it up with the help of a plier. Then take a charm and link into the jump ring like this. Then you take a chain and link in it too. When you have put it in, then close the jump ring back. See? This way you would attach 3 charms with all these 3 chain pieces. So this first one is done, move on to the next, and here you have all 3 of them ready. For me, these 3 are enough, so I don't need any more of this stuff. Let me put it aside and pick up this 5 mm jump ring. Open it with the help of the pliers and keep holding it with the one plier. Then using the other plier or your hand, link up all these chains one by one from the other end like this I am doing. So one is done, here is the second and the third one. And of course, when these all 3 are put in this one ring, close back the ring and there you go. Now this is the stud I'm going to use for the demonstration. Take off this topper and put this tassel in like this. Now you can wear it and put the stopper on the back. So it will be something like this. See, it has changed into a statement earring from a stud. But in my case, what I'm going to do is take the stopper only and open this jump ring again. Then take this topper and from its one eye I'm going to attach it with the tassel like this and close back the jump ring. Remember, this is only for one earring. If you want for both, then you will have to make 2. And this is my stopper with tassel. Alright, so this is what I made and I'm gonna wear it before you to demonstrate how does it look. All right, so this is how it looks. So here I show you the close-up. For that I have to come close to the camera. You can see. So this is one tassel for only one ear, which is trending nowadays and I really love it. And I tell you, it's a highly interchangeable. Like this is my another very simple stud. I'm going to take a stopper off, put it in my ear and put this tassel one stopper on the back. And see how gorgeous it looks, doesn't it? So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the tutorial helpful. Please leave your comments below and bye.